Hi guys, I've used Giraffe Flow to turn a geometry like this one that I'm playing with now into one like this, which is far more complicated and detailed, but is essentially the same. And the way that I've done that is by using the generative tool, which I'll open now. So selecting it and open the Flow Builder. And what I'm doing is very simple. I'm taking the base outline of the polygon and I am offsetting it, doing an array, offsetting the points, so the array returns a point, and then giving them a use where I give them a height and a color. Then I'm getting the floor plates, I'm overriding their color so they're gray, I'm hiding the facades, and finally I'm using the grid algorithm and then offsetting each point in the grid algorithm by 400 millimeters, 0.4 meters, and then I'm again assigning a use and a color. Very simple logical steps. But that produces this tower, and then what I've done is explicitly modeled out a lobby floor, a couple core elements, and some program in the lobby like a toilet and a cafe. Now I've put a park out the front and a car park over the street with some columns, and here we are. I don't know how many elements we're dealing with, but I think it's many hundreds.